Good morning. Yes. Kiwi. Go, Sister Jack. Go.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everybody.
Natutulog pa yung isa naming kasama. Today is our flight.
Ayun na ang pinaka-iniintay naming araw.
So,
Ang pag-alis at paglipad namin. Papuntang Jackie goes to Taiwan!
so magpe-prepare na kami. See you later. Natutulog pa yung isa naming kasama. See you later. Kulihin niyo lang sa akin, sister. Sige lang.
Thank you. Guys, breakfast na kami. We're so hungry. Kami sa aming boarding gate.
It's the other sister.
Attendance check.
Let's go.
Okay, we're still at the boarding area. We're still killing time and we're so bored and I'm so sleepy. Like, my God. Oh. The people are coffeeing. They look like coffee. They're mukhang kape. Maulan ba?
No.
Thankfully, the weather is not so bad outside. In the outside world, I will show you. Welcome to the outside world. Look, oh. It's not so, But I think it's a bit dark dahil medyo maaga pa.
Yeah. So, nag-change yung gate namin.
Yes.
So, we're moving from 115 to 106.
Buti na lang may time pa kami.
Yeah. We came a bit early, so we have time. Boarding is at 6:15. It's around 6 o'clock already.
7 a.m. na. 7 a.m.
The boarding? Oh, yeah.
It's a very changing time. It's changing times and the difficulty in the, nothing is permanent.
In life, nothing is permanent. Just like,
Nothing is permanent in life. Kahit nakalagay ka na sa papel, papalitan ka pa rin. Papalitan ka pa rin.
just like our gate.
Just like our gate.
Nose and mouth. Hold elastic band sideways
Ready.
for snug fit and breathe.
Hi!
We're here. Maraming salamat, Taiwan, sa mainit na pagtanggap. At 32 degrees.
So,
Wala na kami sa immigrationism.
hi guys!
Sa Disneyland.
Nasa train na kami.
Nasa train na kami. Punta kami sa Disneyland, actually. Bakit mo sa kanila dito? Magbibata ng Disneyland.
Disneyland. Mickey! See you, Mickey!
Oh my God, guys, andito na kami we're here at Simending Night Keme. So night talaga siya nag-start, 6 p.m.
Yeah. Kakagising lang.
Girl, you want that?
No, we
Oh my
cannot.
God, you do not show them that.
Ay, shoutout nga pala
Ayan, shout out!
sa aming top fan, Ate Selma.
Hi, Ate Selma!
Ate Selmax, dahil ikaw ang top 1 ng Jakiki, may shoutout ka mula sa Simending, Taipei, Taiwan. Thank you so much for your love and support. English.
Pa-practice na.
This one.
Yeah.
Di, wala ako makita ng strawberry candy.
You just tell them.
ano tawag?
每个人可以哪一个？
You have strawberry boba milk?
Oh,
That's just this one. Two, this one, and then one combo, and then two, this.
Spicy or not spicy for chicken?
sorry, can you move a bit?
Not spicy.
What?
It's a low season.
Ice?
You want with ice or
Little,
not?
okay.
Without ice?
120?
Out ice. With ice.
Sweet, sweetness level is, yeah.
460.
Sweet.
This one for your fish sticker.
Okay, wow. Thank you so much.
Amazing.
Egg number 8. And you can take lucky draw. Thank you.
Thank you.
The milk tea, sheep,
The original. Fairness, masarap talaga yung pearl. Boba. Pero nag-follow yung instructions ako. Nag-steer ako more than 18 times.
Score for the shrimp putang boba milk.
I would give it 9 out of 10 because ngayon ko lang na-feel yung yung cohesiveness ng lasa ng wow, you know, such a smart person.
no, maganda yung texture nung
Boba.
Yeah, ang iba talaga pala yung fresh na handmade boba, in fairness. Now we're cultured.
now we know.
Now we know. Pero
So, anong rating?
ako nga, it's a 9 out of 10.
Yeah.
About you?
9 out of 10.
Kasi hindi siya masarap agad kanina. Parang it took time.
Not too sweet.
Sakto lang. Tsaka yung mga nagbubuong brown sugar, in fairness.
Okay, for the chicken.
For me, it's gonna be like 7 out of 10.
No, it's a 10 over 10 for me. As a
bakit?
chicken lover.
Bakit? Kontrahan mo ng score?
Bakit daw 7 out of 10?
Sa kanya, ako 10 out of 10.
But it's
Parang
good. It's good.
underwhelming lang.
Yeah, it's yummy.
Yeah.
Parang hindi perfect yung texture for me. Pero bisap naman yung taste lang.
It's good. Gusto ko yung medyo spicy.
So, yun ang aming first food review aside sa 7-Eleven haul namin kanina na hindi na namin na-vlog kasi sobrang gutom namin. Ayan na. So, grab na.
Yan, okay na Paps, okay na.
Pak. Sino ka dyan? Oh, sorry. Okay, go, 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 push, support. Yes, let's go. Ang aking mga bayan sisters. We are lining up here at Shin Putang. Because, of course, kung if di nyo pa alam, well, now malalaman nyo na. Yes. And sa Taipei lang naman pinanganak ang milk tea. Ano? Today is our lucky day, of course. Mananalo kami ng 5K. So excited! Yes! Ano masasabi mo? Hindi tayo nanalo.
Dish cancer ka. Sinusumpa kita. Sana hindi ka nang manalo ng ako sa buong buhay mo.
Salamat sa pag-curse mo. Wala kang makukuhang pasalubong sa amin, sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Puro galo. Mabubunot sa kahit anong raffle.
Yes. Yes.
Anniversary raffle.
Kahit sa office MSG lang na tatanggalin na yung pangalan mo.